Hey guys, welcome back to the Sketchy Vert channel. At LS Fest, we just got back last week, and I noticed the turbo drain line was leaking, so it's smoking real bad. It's not really hard to take a turbo off. We might take the other one off just to be safe and fix that line too, just so I don't have any more leaking problems this year. All right guys, I'm going to show you the line that's leaking here. It's this one down here. It's that bottom drain line. It's just been leaking on the header. Before we take the oil lines off, we got to drain the oil out of Sketchy, and I need to change the oil on it anyways after LS Fest. So I was told to change oil in it after every event, and that's what I've been doing to keep my motor running good and smooth. I got stuff in the eye. It feels good. It hurts. My eye hurts. Doesn't feel good. Feels like my cornea is getting scratched. I mean, how much possible stuff can fall off this thing? It's not like it's that dirty. Yep, I got it. Here's the bolt. Is it hot? Did I burn you? Sorry.
Nope.
I really didn't care if I did.
I dropped this wrench on your nuts. If you keep it up. I can't say that on video.
Did you say nuts on the TV?
What? I would never.
I'm calling YouTube. Thank you.
What did you get?
Bringing us some Gushers! Because these are the best things
Filming
ever. I think it's good. You got it? Yep. Perfect. Woo!
Alright. Cut that one out.
One turbo out. One to go.
Where do you want to put this?
I like that a lot. My homework for today. Thanks, Dalton, for your help, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
That side off without having to take the turbo off?
I think so, yeah. This line's off. You got that line off, Dalton, up there?
I got this side off.
Okay. All right, it's coming down. Sweet, it's out. It is out. We are done, girls and boys. Oh, I'm gonna get better lines so we don't have any more leaking issues. Yes. Hi. Sucks under there. But it's fun because I guess race car's fun or something. I love it. Gotta love race car. Alright guys, welcome back. I just went and got my new lines for the oil drain lines for the turbos today. So I replaced them here. I'll show you here. I replaced these old ones here. It was leaking out of this one right here, that fitting there. So what I'm gonna do is put these new ones on. So much nicer, better lines all together. So I already have this turbo line on. See that? Ooh, so pretty. So now I'm just gonna put the turbo back in the car. I can do that by myself. All right guys, so I got the turbo. I'm gonna put it in the car real quick. I got Sketchy jacked up with a little jack stand under it. So I'm going to see how this all fits back in. Came out pretty easy. Going in is always another story. So leave that coupling on there, and that's what's stopping me. Alright. Gotta loosen that some more. Alright, now I got that coupling loosened. Alright, turbo, just go into your home. Don't you just want to go into your home? That slid in like that, that would be amazing. And I don't get... Oh, I did. Wow. That's a shocker. All right, now we have to pull this bad boy back up. All right, Gonna grab these bolts. Okay guys, so I got the turbo in. All the new oil lines are in. All the bends were right. Everything was perfect. It was just a little bit hard to get this drain line down here and get an Allen wrench on it. That took me the most time getting everything together. It took me no time to get the turbo back on it, so I was pretty shocked that I got it on there so fast. So I'm gonna put oil in it and start it up tomorrow and see if there is any oil leaks. I'm praying that there's not, but if there is, I'll just have to pull everything back apart and do it all over again, because that is learning. So wish me luck. Going to pick up the kiddo. I'm not gonna put on tight, but at least if I get pulled over, the cops don't get me busted. I got all the oil lines in for the turbos last night, so I'm gonna go pick her up today and see her reaction. She's probably gonna be really embarrassed, so that's okay though. And I didn't mention to you guys that my daughter's in middle school, so she's really gonna be embarrassed. And I figured, why not do a test drive in Sketchy with the new oil lines and pick her up. You can definitely tell this an awful lot of air in the tires. It's not really bumpy. It's kind of exorbitant. It's kind of nice. Nice smooth ride for a race car.
It's way better than the diesel.
Way better than my diesel. I think nothing rides like a lumber wagon. But it's a reliable Cummins from 2001, so I'll take it. It's been a good truck. It just doesn't ride very good. Alright, everyone's coming out. I don't see her yet, but I've never picked her up in this car or in Sketchy from school, so she is going to be shocked. Hi, Boo.
Hi.
Come on, baby. What do you think?
I don't know. I just turned my watch on and I'm like, where are you?
Alright guys, so you just saw me pick my daughter up from school in Sketchy. She was really shocked and had a great time coming home. Now it's Sunday and a couple of my friends are up in Mexico right now, and we're gonna go do some pulls in Sketchy. I'm gonna do some street stuff and just kind of get her dialed in a little bit better. And I think I got everything lined out on the car, so we're just gonna see what it'll do on the street. So the next stop is Mexico. Sketchy. All thinking to each other like, oh, they're going to Mexico, we gotta go. I'm okay, but street is a whole different thing for me. I have it set up for the track right now. Dang, Mustang!
Mustang for the win.
When the cops show up, everybody goes back to Frank's house to chill and wait. Alright guys, so went to the dig spot, got to see 4 races, and then the cops showed up. So unfortunately I couldn't race Sketchy in Mexico, so had to go to my buddy Frank's house. We tried to go there to chill for a little bit, and unfortunately the cops just would not go away, so I just ended up coming home, and I ended up racing with my friend Zane, going up to Frank's, and got a little roll race with him, so that was pretty fun. And his car is real quick. It's a quick DSM. I was pedaling the crap out of Sketchy, but that's okay. That's what happens on the street. You know, his car is real quick, so I'm not taking anything away from him. Anyways, guys, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.